Hey everyone, welcome to Nitty Cat Studio. I'm Cheryl. I am behind this box trying to get a good view for y'all. I ordered something that I'm very excited to have, and so I thought I would do an unboxing. It just came today in the mail, and I got this off of eBay, and there is a store on there. It's WWOLST12 store. They're a Rhode Island Internet Consignment and Sales Inc. and it's a family-owned business. And so I asked them if they would mind if I mentioned them when I went ahead and did a video of the unboxing. And so they said they would be happy to have me do that. I can leave a link at the bottom here if you're interested in seeing what else they have. So they have all kinds of different items. I'm going to go ahead and open this because I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Alright, so let me set this down. It's taped up pretty good. Getting there. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see this. Okay, and I'm excited that I get to share this with you all. Alright, it's got a lot of wrap, bubble wrap in it, the ginormous size, so I'm really happy about that. And then there's some baby bubble wrap under that. So let me see if I can just lift this out and put it up on the table. I might have to just move the box for a minute. Okay, they did an awesome job of wrapping, which I'm very pleased about. Okay. Go ahead and open. I don't know if you can tell. I've been like waiting and waiting to find, I guess, the right machine that I've been looking for. And so I finally went in and I found what I wanted. And I went in and I bid and bid and bid, and I was just ecstatic to be the winner. Oh my goodness. So this is a 1940 Featherweight 221. Okay. I'm just like, so excited about this. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it's even got some bubble wrap in here. Ooh, I heard something. So there's bubble wrap in here. And alright, so they have just a little thank you for my purchase. So I'll set that aside. And let's see, try and move my light back. I might have to bring the camera over a bit. But there you go. You can see in here. These are the feet. Goodness. Okay, and there's some needles in there. And the book. Manual. And then there's some bobbins here. Now, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, it's like a little vintage can of oil. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. There is a key in here. Found another bobbin. kind of rolling around. And there's a screw, but I'm not sure to what. So I'm going to just set it aside. But the box has a key, which is good, because those are pricey, I think, to try to replace. Smells a little bit musty. I mean, it's not horrible though. I'm going to go ahead and pull this back to me and show you inside. So it looks like, to me, it's been wrapped really well. And I'm going to go ahead and pull some of this out gently. The nice thing too I noticed was they had that wrap down where the bed meets on the face plate, and I'm really glad for that. Foot pedal, power cord, and that looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to put that there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lift this out. Oh my goodness. Alright, I found another bobbin in here. And the other key. So there are two keys. I need to go ahead and put those all together. So give me one sec, because I really don't want to misplace anything either. This is the case. So it's not bad. I think it definitely probably could use a cleaning, and I've looked online, and the Featherweight shop has some stuff that I can go ahead and clean it with. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I do see, obviously there's some cleaning that needs to be done a little bit, and I'm sure that's not a problem. Ooh. Okay, another bobbin I just found. Goodness. Alright. Okay, so I'm a little bit worried because I don't see the bobbin case. I'm going to have to check into that. Take a look here. It might be in here with the feet. I emptied the contents and it's in here. I was so scared. I was like, no! These are really pricey to replace. Looks in good shape. And so it was in here with the feet. I have feet. And I have another screw that I'm not positive which it goes to. Like, maybe it's, I mean, I'm sure it's just an extra one, but that's okay. So I'm happy about that. I see like a binding foot. Some of these feet I might have to learn about. So I don't know what that is. A seam guide, maybe? I think it might be a seam guide. And maybe that's what that screw's for. I've got to research a little more. I bet it is, though. Possibly. It has the scroll face, which I was just in love with. There's totally feet on here that I have no idea what exactly they do. I'll have to look it up. Yeah, and there's a little tiny screwdriver, so that's kind of neat. It's trying to see what it says on it. Singer USA, and that's got a number. So oh gosh, I don't know what this is. If this is a ruffle foot? I don't know. I think these are like per inch. I don't know. If you guys know, tell me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up, because these are feet I don't even really use a lot of feet, even on my different feet on my modern machines. And it has a bag. That's kind of neat. And then the book, the manual, and it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Try not to get a glare. I try to get a bunch of light over the situation here so that you could see. So now I'm going to see the wheels, to see how they turn. I'm going to go ahead and put all this back in in this bag. But I just wanted to share this with you all because, I don't know, it was exciting. It was an exciting moment for me, and just getting to open it. And I can't tell you how, I don't know. I've been waiting for one of these to one I would really like, or that I would want. And I really wanted the older model with the scroll face. I'm going to try and turn this. Okay, let me just turn it this way so you can see that. This has to tighten up on the, and then go forward. Oh, look. Yay. It's pretty smooth. Now, they said that they had kind of serviced this and oiled, etc. So the belt is in good shape. Really good shape. And I'll turn it around. There's a little pad up here, top. And like I said, I don't know yet about the motor. I have this. I guess I could maybe run it and see. Let's see if the light works and stuff. And I was thinking I wanted to get like an LED light probably for that, because they say they can get really hot. But I'll go ahead and let's just plug it in and see if it works. Okay, so ta-da! My goodness, that is so exciting. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and push and see what happens. Oh my gosh. Do you hear that? Oh my goodness. What do you all think? I am so excited. Wow. I know you can't even see my face. I am so excited though. And I cannot wait to start sewing on this. And so yeah, I just wanted to share this with everyone, and I'm just excited to have this. I feel very fortunate. And I definitely want to say thank you to the Woolston Home family. Thank you all for this beautiful antique sewing machine, and I absolutely love it. So if y'all are interested in seeing me sew on this, please check back, subscribe, and if you like the video, please hit like, and I will see you all in a future video. And I guess I'm going to have to think of a name for this beauty too. Alright, I will see you all later. Thank you. Bye-bye.